My name is Doris Short, and I'm a graphic design professor down in the art department here at Slippery Rock University. Really excited about this project here, Windows of Slippery Rock, and how that whole thing actually started was, of course, during the pandemic. I was teaching online for close to a year and a half and felt very disconnected from our community and our campus. So the whole idea behind this was sort of to bring the community together. What I really, when I started this project and down the line, I found out that all the people who submitted was not just people currently here. We actually had people, alumni, coming back and also wanted to connect after, feeling that kind of physical disconnect. We had over 200 entries, and the art faculty from the art department picked a little bit over 80 submissions, and they are now hanging all over campus. And I certainly hope that we might do this again next year. And if anybody wants to see the exhibition, you can also go to the Instagram page, which is #Windows of SRU 2021, and you can actually see there all the entries.
Hi, my name is Vera Pieri. I am a senior graphic design student, and I am from Mansfield. I decided to do the Slippery Rock Windows project as it was part of my assignment for class, but I think it's just a great idea to have essentially a gallery that everybody can see. My piece is a digital poster that is of me and my roommate that I've had since freshman year. We had to do stuff that reminded us of Slippery Rock, and she is the first thing I think of. So I captioned it with the phrase "better with friends" because I personally think that college is way better with friends than by yourself. One thing I learned through this process was how to actually install artwork in a non-traditional setting, such as around a campus.